What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you're having a great weekend. I was just doing some reflection over here because, hey, it's the end of my first week of doing these videos, right? And, wasn't perfect, wasn't the prettiest, but, definitely had more ums than I would care to admit, but it is what it is, right? I've got this card over here by my desk that has Zechariah 4:10 written on it. It says, "Do not despise these small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin," right? For me, that means, hey, when you first start something, it ain't gonna be pretty, okay? But it's better than being on the sidelines still, And so what I'm excited about is, hey, a year from now, you know how Facebook and Instagram, they do the memories, here's what you posted 1 year ago, right? I'm excited for June 2021 when that post comes up and I get to do a little comparison with myself, right? For what I'm doing today versus what I'll be doing a year from now, right? I'll be able to look back and be like, oh my God, that was terrible. What was I even thinking? Hey, but hopefully the value is exceeding the amount of ums that I'm giving out to you guys. But, hey, in some way, shape, or form, all I can hope for is, to inspire at least one of you out there to start whatever you've been thinking about starting. But, I know there's a lot of times people have a fear or some kind of hold up. And a lot of times I think it's because they're afraid of what other people will think about them, right? And here's the best advice that I've ever received on how to deal with the haters, right? Let's take a step in their shoes for a second, right? You think about what must be going on within that person to literally take time out of their day to go ahead and project hate onto somebody else for something that they're doing. There's got to be something internal going on with that person. It's not about you. It's something internal. And so I think, you got to empathize with that. Yeah, just spread as much love as you possibly can. And just keep moving forward, man. Just keep helping as many people as you can. And if you're thinking about starting something, then, hey, I triple dog dare you to start it. Start it today. Why not? What else are you doing today? Why not start it? You know what I'm saying? So, hopefully that can inspire you in some way. I don't know. But, hey, for those of you who have been rocking with me this week, I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. I've had some really cool conversations come out of this week. And, hey, if you guys have questions, if you guys have topics that you'd like me to cover, I've already had some cool conversations where, I'm changing my priority of my topic list over here that I mentioned before. That now I'm gonna cover this instead of that, right? And so if you guys have that, feel free, jump in the comments, shoot me a DM if you'd like. And I'm happy to make you guys a priority over, my little list over here. So anyway, hope you're having a great weekend. Stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.